Let me ask you a simple question. Do you want to become rich? You may think, what type of question is this? Because it's an obvious answer that yes, everyone wants to become rich. Although money is not everything, still money plays an important role in our lives. If you have a good amount of money, you can lead a comfortable life. In today's uncertain times, it's a necessity to be financially independent. Many of our dreams, like traveling around the world, having a big house or car, requires money. So everyone wants to become rich, but only a few can become rich. Do you want to know why? Keep watching the video to know the secret to make money. The reason few people get wealthy and others do not is the way they manage their money. People earn money by working hard in a job or a business. But what they do with the hard-earned money is what matters the most. You might be making lakhs of money every month, but if you don't know how to manage your funds, you cannot become rich. Spending money carelessly can lead you to debts and financial losses. Financial education is the most powerful education you will ever have. The first and foremost thing you should do is save some amount of your monthly income, nearly about 10 to 15% of your monthly income. Saving should be ideally done for three parts. First, emergency funds. These funds should be readily available in form of cash whenever an emergency arises. Second, slush funds. Money which can help you survive 3 to 6 months if you get ill or lose your job. These funds should be invested in a proper investment plan so that it keeps on increasing till you retire. Calculate the total amount of money you will require after your retirement till your life expectancy of 80 years. After keeping aside the savings amount, you should plan your expense budget. Use the principle of 80-20% expense management rule. Identify where you spend 80% of your income. It's usually the necessities like food, rent, bills, etc. The remaining 20% are optional expenses that you might want to reconsider. Do not give up on your wants completely. You should also enjoy life. Just balance them and spend on that which feels most important to you. Anything that loses its value over the years is a liability. Anything that grows its value over time is an asset or investment. The next step is making big money investments carefully. A car is a liability as its monetary value depreciates with time. So buy a car only when you have all your savings rightly done. Or a smarter way is, instead of buying a brand new car, you can buy a second-hand car or rent a car. Although buying a home is an asset, it's a heavy investment, so make sure you have enough finances. Don't just invest early, but invest optimally. That's the secret of living a rich life. The final step is investing money. Many people are afraid to invest their money, but investing is what makes money grow itself. You should not be afraid and take calculative risks to invest money. There are many options to invest money in bank FDs, equity, which are stocks for a company. You can also invest in bonds where you are lending money to a company and get returns when the company makes profits. Mutual funds are another option if you don't know how or where to invest. Mutual funds are a pool of funds distributed in different companies to balance out the risk. Before investing, make sure you know the basics of how the investment world works. You can also seek help from a trustworthy financial advisor. For simplified investment planning, you can use Zerodha. Just click the link given below in the description and submit your name and mobile number. You will receive a phone call from Team Zerodha to guide you personally for your investment decision. Remember, don't run behind money. Invest smartly and for long term. This way you will surely create wealth. Financial literacy is a superpower, and so keep learning about finance and investments. This video is made from the learnings of the book Millennial Money Makeover by Connor Richardson. You can purchase the book for gaining more knowledge of making money. The link to buy it is in the description. Also, you can download the infographic summary of the video from the link in the description. If you want more detailed videos on finance, please let me know by commenting below. I wish you become financially independent soon, and thank you for watching. More wisdom, more solution, better life.